Hey y'all, I'm here today with another plan with me from July 3rd to the 9th, and I'll be using the Paperly Boutique's Firework mini kit. So I just have the glitter headers, which come a la carte. It doesn't come with the kit itself, but like I said, got them a la carte. And then for the actual kit itself, there's a hair stuck on there. I have the kit freebie, which has the full box that says Happy 4th of July, and then some icons and labels. And then for the kit, it just has 4 pages in it. So it comes with the flags up at the top, icons, single heart checklist, another full quote box that says "Let Freedom Ring," an appointment label, habit trackers, arrows, dots, functional deco, and then excuse me, the second page comes with the weekend banner, some random headers that you can use in your sidebar or throughout the spread, more appointment labels, half boxes, and then weekly ombres and a regular ombre to use in your sidebar, or again if you want to use like the weekly ones in the sidebar and then use just the heart checklist throughout your week, you can do that as well. And then you have the full boxes and the bottom washi. So I am going to get started with the bottom washi. And I do have some leftovers from the excuse me, some leftovers from the 4th of July kit from the Paperly Boutique from last year. So if I need to pull in anything like if I need to pull out more half boxes or checklist or anything like that, I will help. Ooh, I cannot talk. I will have that to put down. Oh, wrong sheet. Here it is. But mostly that will be used in my inserts, not so much in here. But what I am doing now is putting in my sidebar, which I just put the quote box that says "Let Freedom Ring" up at the top because I'm still trying to decide if I want to put in if I want to put in the Happy 4th of July in here or save it for my inserts. Now let me figure out. Okay, I need an exercise header and a this week header, which unlike previous weeks, I did not plan out anything like full box wise or order of what stickers I'm going to use, so this might take me a little while. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, no, I'm going to do the dark blue. I'm going to put that down, hopefully straight, and I'm not turning my planner on the side because it's just getting so thick and it's hard to do the sidebar having it turned on the side with how thick my planner is getting. So I'm just going to do it like this from now on. which I know my sidebar is probably going crooked, but that is okay. And then I think what I'm going to do is take the lighter blue checklist, because I'm going to need a this week for my next checklist, and I don't want to put the dark blue with the dark blue. So I'm just going to use the lighter blue. And I could put washi in between all the headers and checklists, but I really don't want to do that this week. Just for some reason I'm not feeling like doing that. And then I'm going to take the red checklist, just because this one doesn't really need to be a weekly. It can be weekly, but it doesn't have to be. And then what I'm going to do is take a piece of washi. I could do this one because it will match the bottom, but I'm kind of thinking maybe doing the floral one, just because of how bright the sidebar is. And I don't want to have like the sidebar be all bright and then have the very bottom be dark. So there, I have the sidebar done, and of course it's probably very, very crooked, but that is okay. Okay, I had to check to make sure I was still filming. Because I'm using my not so great battery right now, and when it stops it doesn't tell you it doesn't tell you when it has stopped recording, and it doesn't save what it has recorded. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. I really hope my head wasn't in the shot right there, but if it was, I apologize. And I'm not putting these in really any particular order, just the order that they are on the page. And I have absolutely no plans at all this week. So this will hopefully be a quick plan with me, but now that I have said that, it probably won't be. Okay, there we go. And then while I'm thinking of it, let me go ahead and take these two flags and just cover up the flags in the corner. Of course I put that down at crooked. Oh geez. It's still a little crooked. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now that I have the checklist down and the flags down, I am going to take the glitter headers, and I think I am going to do red on top, the gray for like the white in the middle, and then one of the blues down at the bottom, but I don't know if I want to use the darker or the lighter blue, but I'm just going to take the red glitter headers and put them all across the top. And like I mentioned a few minutes ago, usually I plan out what full boxes are going to go where, but I didn't do that this week. So I don't think I'll be color blocking the boxes for this week, which most of the boxes are actually pretty much all of them kind of have all the colors in them anyways, so it's fine if I don't color block. I need to fix Sunday's header really quickly. There's probably other headers that need to be fixed too, but I'm just going to leave them. They don't look that bad. And then what I'm going to do is actually, before I put the next row of glitter headers in, I'm going to do the full boxes. And then, let's see, the weekend banner has all the colors in it, so it really doesn't matter. I do know I think I'm going to save the Happy 4th of July quote box for my insert, so I'm going to take the flag and put that on. I almost said Thursday, on Tuesday. Put that one there, and then I think I'm going to take the fireworks and put it on Friday, just so I can have two boxes with the white background, have them on different sides of the page, and that way they're not all the ones with the white background are going to be all together, because I like to have them, all these boxes like that, separated. And then for the other boxes, I think okay, where do I want to put the girl? The girl, I can put her. The girl I'll put on Thursday. That way she's kind of in the middle. And then for the close up of the stripes of the flag, I'm just going to put this one on Sunday, just to balance it out a bit more. And then for the actually, let me do the popsicle real quick. I think that one I'm going to put on, I want to put it on Monday because that's close to that blue. No. Actually, let me put it on Wednesday. Okay, and then I'm going to take the two flower boxes, and then I'm going to save the fireworks for my inserts. And then I think I'm going to put this one on Saturday and this one on Sunday. That way I'm not putting the pink box under the pink checklist and the blue one under the blue checklist, and that way, because like some of the other ones are sort of color blocked, but don't know, that would bother me if those couple were color blocked and the others weren't. But like I said, all the full boxes have all the colors in them, so it doesn't really matter if I color blocked or not. And once I get done with this, I'm going to go ahead and put in the second row of, or rather third row of glitter headers. Which I apologize if I haven't been too talkative. I think what I want to do is use the darker one, because then I think that might like help bring in the darker colored washi a bit. So I'm going to do that. And then the lighter color blue, I will either use that in my inserts or completely save it for another spread. Although I kind of feel like I want to use it in the inserts. Excuse me. Although one thing that is sad is I don't get to mark Pretty Little Liars anymore because it is officially over. Which is sad that I, excuse me again, which is sad that I can't get to mark it anymore, although I am still watching all the episodes on Netflix, so I can still get to watch Pretty Little Liars on Netflix and my Plan With Me, which I love. And now what I'm gonna do is just take the little arrows and put them down to mark my meals for the week. But I know the finale was last, like the Tuesday before the 4th was when the finale was. And I know some people have like they really liked the finale, and then other people were, I don't know, I guess disappointed in the finale. I actually really liked how the show ended. And I actually really liked who the creators and writers picked for like who AD was going to be. Like it wasn't just, I don't know, I don't feel like I'd be giving anything away because it has been on, like you can probably just go on to like Facebook and see what like what happened in the finale. So I don't feel like I'd be giving too much away, but just in case you haven't, I won't say anything. But I will say it was someone worth it. I will say that. I'm trying to figure out how I want to mark TV shows. I think I'm just going to use the dots to mark TV shows. So I have 2 on Wednesday, 1 on Thursday. And then for some reason it's not showing anything for Sunday, but I know Big Brother comes on Sunday. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I'm just going to I am just going to mark the TV shows that I know I am putting that on the wrong day. It's probably because I was talking about Pretty Little Liars. I was thinking about Tuesday and I needed to put a show down on Tuesday, but I don't need to do that anymore. But I'm just taking these dots to mark the TV shows. And, you know, I'm just going to take a dot and put it on for Sunday. If it doesn't come on, then I can just cross it off if it does, and then I already have it marked. But that is all the TV shows that I have on. But the only ones that are showing up on the app are the 2 on Wednesday and Thursday, which are To Tell the Truth and Big Brother on Thursday, and it's not showing Big Brother for Sunday, but I'm pretty sure it is still on unless there's for some reason that it isn't. I'm still going to mark it. And now I can go in day by day. So Monday, I have one video that is going up, which is this plan with me. So for that, I think I am going to do I'm just going to take the plain colored half box. And do I want to put washi in? I kind of don't. I kind of just want to put the box by itself. So I have that down, and then I'm going to take, I'm actually going to take the pink laptop and put it over here to mark uploading the video, and this half box is looking very, very crooked. I probably just put it down the same spot, but oh well. And then let me see if I can look through my multi-color stuff for scale stickers. I do have them, and I think I am going to take I really need to use more green and yellow spreads. I think I'm going to take this dark red right here, and it doesn't match, but I really don't want to use up, I don't want to use up the blues just yet. But I wanted to grab that and put it in. So that is everything from Monday. Tuesday is my dog's special treat. So for that, I'm going to take the red label. I'm just kind of put this down here, and then alright, let me look at it. I'm gonna say, that's not gonna help. I need to look at the monthly. Okay, the 8th is my dog's treat, so I didn't have it written down, but I remembered it, so let me really quickly, and I apologize if you can hear the lawnmower going outside. I'm going to take my Scribble Prints Co little pug stickers. I know I'm kind of going out of order, but I want to do this before I forget. And I think I'm going to take the floral half box. Actually, no, I don't, because it's the same box. I'm going to take the one with popsicle in it. I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to take the one with the red bow. And actually just put this up in the middle. Oh, that's bothering telling me that it's not completely centered. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the little puppy right there to mark my dog's medicine for that day. Now back to everything else. So I have marking my dog's treat for that day, and I don't really have an icon for that, but I'll just know that's what that is. And then Wednesday is cleaning day, but I don't think I want to. Actually, what I'll do is I'll take the spray bottle and I'm going to take another red label and I'm actually going to flip this upside down. Put the spray bottle right there, and then just write in a cleaning day. And then for Thursday, I have another video going up, and that one I'll use the floral box. So I'll put that down, and then for this one, I'll put the red camera in, and I'll put it over on that side of the full box, like what I did with the laptop. And then Friday is our shopping day. So for that, I think I have the little buggy. I don't know, I kind of don't want to use a label. I kind of just want to place it in, although actually what I kind of want to do is take maybe like a skinny piece of washi if I can put it down straight. And then put the buggy right there, and then just write in a like shopping checklist. So that is everything for Friday. For Saturday and Sunday, I already have my dog's medicine marked down, and then really all I have is just filming on Saturday. So for that, I am going to take, actually let me go ahead and put the weekend banner in really quickly. Put that right there, and then I'm going to take the pink half box. It is going past the box a little tiny bit, but that is okay. And then let's see which. I'm going to take the camera and the planner. I'm going to put the planner down here and then the camera right above it to mark filming next week's plan with me. And I think that is basically it. The only thing I could add would be our nature box could be coming in sometime this week. The only thing is, because it hasn't been shipped out yet, and with it, like, it's renewing the day that I am filming this, which is on a Saturday, but because of it being a weekend, I don't know if it won't get renewed until Monday, and with it being close to a holiday, it might be pushed back. So I'm guessing if it does come in for this week, it would be Friday or Saturday, and if it doesn't come in one of those days, it would be the following Monday. So I don't want to mark that I have a package coming in and then I don't, like, it doesn't come in. But I kind of feel like I want to put something here, but I kind of don't. Like, I want to fill it up with washi, but I think I am actually going to pass on it because I could potentially have something to add in right there, but I think I am just going to leave it how it is. But all that I have left over, if I can grab everything, is I have the one set of glitter headers left over, the sampler, which this full box I will use in my inserts, and then I have the functional page, which I have all the icons left over, a flag, habit tracker, checklist, a good bit of the functional deco, a little arrow, some dots, headers, labels, a couple half boxes, a weekly checklist, most of the washi, which usually I use a lot more washi up, but I guess for this week I decided not to use that much. And then one full box, which I will use in my inserts as well. But that is it for this week's plan with me. Okay, my camera battery died right as I was starting to close up the plan with me, and the last thing that I showed was what I had left over from the kit, so hopefully that didn't get cut out. If it did, I apologize, but hopefully it didn't. So I have a new battery in now, but I was just saying how that is it for this week's plan with me, and I used everything from the kit except for the little puppy sticker, which was from Scribble Prints Co. But I always do that to mark my dog's medicine in my main planner here, not in my inserts, but in my Erin Condren. And I really like how I did the red, white, and blue instead of trying to like scatter the glitter headers or color block or do anything like that. And also I didn't mention how the touch of pink, I really like that. There isn't a pink glitter header, but that is okay. I actually like that it's just the red, or like the gray, silver, and the blue glitter headers, and that there isn't a pink one, which I think makes the pink in the spread kind of stand out a bit more. But that is going to be it for this week's plan with me. It hopefully was quick, not quick in a bad way, but not my usual like 40-minute long plan with me, which this probably will still end up being that long. But if you like this plan with me, you can hit the thumbs up button down below, and if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't already subscribed, you can hit the subscribe button down below as well, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!